To my future kids, this is how I met your dad. Ang tapang ko, no? Post third night shift ko and I went to church. It's already almost 1 p.m. and buhay na buhay pa rin ako, lang tulog, but it's okay. Galing ko lang sa church ngayon. I just volunteered for watching over the creche. So yung mga bata below 3 years old. Samahan niyo ako. Mag-Jollibee tayo siguro. I'm gonna walk. It will take me 40 minutes. But then, maybe a bit longer. Kakain ako sa Jollibee ngayon kasi gutom na ako. Gutom na ako. And yeah, mamayang gabi na ako matutulog. So I've got the tree in there. Westminster, Big Ben, tsaka London Eye. Kita dito sa view na to. Sa side na to sana. Pero, ang hirap ko na. Iconic infrastructure in London. Big Ben, London Eye, saka Westminster Abbey. That's Westminster Abbey. Tapos kita doon yung London Eye. Natakpan na yung eto ng puno, yung Big Ben. But yeah, that's it. To my future kids, this is the journey of how I met your dad. January 25, 2026. The start of it. My usual way back home. So, ito yung mga views ko. Westminster Abbey. Tapos, tingnan niyo yung dove, oh. Albino na dove. Then, we're heading towards London Eye tsaka Big Ben. And the sun is finally shining. Can't believe it. But yeah, mukha lang siyang maaraw at mainit. But the truth is, malamig. Pero hindi siya ganun kalamig from the previous weeks. But, kaya na siya. Manipis na tong suot ko ngayon. And it's wearable. Mr. Abbey, I've never been inside yet. Kasi nga, mahal siya. Parang 28 na ata ngayon ang entrance fee. Which is, I'm not gonna pay for that one. Of course, I'm not gonna pay for it. Hanggang labas lang tayo, mga sis. Yeah, look at that. Ito yung other side ng linalakaran ko. So, nandun yung London Eye. This is my usual walk back home. And yeah, naging routine ko na siya every Sunday basta pag pumupunta ako ng church. I always just walk back home. Kasi nga, I always blend in with the tourist. Kapaka-turista ang auntie nyo lagi. But, yeah. This is my life here. Hope you are enjoying the view as well as I'm touring you online. Ayan siya. Ganda, diba? Okay. Tawid na naman tayo. Jaywalking na naman po ako. Let's just wait for it. But yeah, look at this one. Ito yung laging pinipilahan ng mga tao. Ito. Show you. Kapila sila for that view. Ayan. Ayan yung laging ang haba ng pila. I've never been. Okay na ako sa ganito lang kasi ang hirap ng walang kasama. But yeah, that's it. Blending with the tourists again tayo. Playing tourist as usual. I always do it every Sunday whenever I go to church. Ito yung lagi kong daanan eh. Look. Haba ng pila. Kayo ba gusto niyo pumila dyan? If ever? Yung mga tao. But will I ever do it? I don't know. I'm not really willing to queue. Kasi I'm so fine na sa ganyan, no? Okay na ako sa ganito. Then, tingnan nyo to. Ayan. Conic din yan.
I like bagpipes. You can.
Daming tao kahit sa taglamig.
Abi ne güneş açmıyor. Güneş açmıyor.
Then, pa Downing Street na naman tayo. That's this. It's that way. Towards that way. Downing Street. But we'll go to Trafalgar kasi nga we're heading to Leicester for Jollibee. Because I think I deserve some Jollibee this time. Yeah. I'm hungry. I've been awake for more than... No, I've been awake for almost 24 hours now. And it post third night shift. So, yeah, bangag ako tsaka gutom. Yan ang Big Ben. I think there's ongoing protest or about to start dito sa tapat ng Downing Street. Ayan na yung Downing Street, oh. Daming tao. Like I told you before, daming tao dito. Tapos ayan, heavily guarded. Police. Yeah, I think may magaganap ng protest mamaya. Diyan, oh. May mga tao eh. Chismosa ko, no? Tignan niyo yung sky. Ayan, oh. Maganda siya, pero that's a fake one. Mix of chemtrails. I think majority of it, it's really chemtrails. Diba? Kita nyo yung line. Tapos, hindi yan tunay na skies. I mean, clouds. Hindi siya tunay na clouds. Chemtrail, because, you know, they are just non-stop poisoning everyone. They do whatever they could just to poison everyone. Believe it or not, it's no longer just a conspiracy theory. It's reality, folks. Force guard, kasi nga, nadaanan naman natin. So, ayan siya. And there's another one on that side.
Claudia.
Ito yung tunay na kulay ng England. Always gloomy, dark, miserable at times. No, most of the times. I keep on lying to myself. But yeah, the reality is, ang gloomy niya, ang depressing. Makapabagtit ay naapo. Tapos naglamiis pa. Di talaga nga matuluyan ka na. Matuluyan ka magbagtit, di ba? Red siya, pero jaywalkers kami. As usual. Then yeah, we're here at Trafalgar Square manon. Then, National Gallery. Nag-dark. Ito naman minsan kayong ipashare dito gallery ta. Makaturturog na ko, nabandog na talagan, kaya mabisin na. So, mapanak lang mangan. Agkita iti magatang Tapos agawid na kon ka. Asudag tayo di ka sa Jollibee. Mabisin na kon. Sapay lang kumata. Hanunay nga abuti tao jay. Jollibee tatatakmahan tayo. Aguray tinabayag. Diyos ko baka matali mo daw nak. Itibisin ko. So, that was where the ice skating ring before. And then, eto na side, yung sa Jollibee. Diba? Ayan. Doon, gutom na ako. Jollibee. Basit lang ti tao. Look at that. One. Spaghetti. Takaw ko, no? Kaya pinakyat ako. Nasa third floor ako. Kasi walang maupuan. Usually, they have this for the staff only. And since I'm just alone, they let me here because wala akong makainan. Wala akong pesto on the face. So, yeah. Here na. Jollibee. They eat this. Magspag tayo. Medyo... Hindi pa ako ganun katakaw Take away ko yung iba. The rice. Wala na bunit na. Fish. Mukbang. I wasn't joking when I told you before that I dine in alone. I usually do it. Next time, mag-ramen naman tayo. Kainit. Baby, I'm worth on you. That's all right now. So full. Ang baboy. Kunyari the mirror. Empty. I'm trying. I'm waiting for your dog to come and find me. I'm just here at the Jollibee restaurant. Just kidding. Favorite right now. we go home na kasi ang dami na nating nagastos. Leicester's Fair. Katrina Carmela, mag-magic mic na lang tayo. Hate about outside in public. Naglalakad. Ang daming nagyoyosi. Ang lamig-lamig. Sakit sa ilong. Saka sa ulo. Can't deal with smoke. Sadly. Gagawin nila yung donut sa harapan mo. Tear. Ayan. I need to get back using to this one. Code. Kung mapadaan kayo ng London, you can come and visit. Adik ako sa lipstick dati. I found it. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko. Ako lang ba? Pero pumasok ako kanina na empty tong shop. Pero biglang dumami yung tao. Oh my. I also like this color. To my future babies. The way I met your dad day one has come to an end. Charot. Day one lang yun. Babies, better luck next time. It's just day one anyway, so come and join me again next time. And we'll see if there's a possibility that we'll meet your dad. Bye babies. See you.